Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to style this very beautiful headband wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys different ways I was able to style this absolutely beautiful headband wig. This headband wig is from Atina Hair company. I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with hair in the description box below. As you guys can see, this wig is so full. There's a lot of hair on this headband wig. It's not like the regular headband wig. It's really full, very soft as well, and very beautiful. And yes guys, as you guys can see, this wig is 2-in-1. You can have it straight, and as well you can have it coily like this. So you're gonna see the magic trick in the video. I'm so excited to show you guys all these beautiful styles, and without talking too much, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so guys, I'm gonna show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this is the wig. As you guys can see, it's very thick and full.
She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you want.
So I just did like a very simple braiding pattern. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of water on my edges, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and apply my jam. I'm going to use the jam to slick my edges. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, you already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl. After slicking my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes to dry. So now it's dry, I'm just gonna take off the scarf and then install the wig. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, you already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. As I install the wig, I make sure I put on the combs very well so that the wig will be very well secured. His body, baby, oh, Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my hairband, and this is what it looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. This wig is so nice. So right here I'm just gonna do like a couple of styles. I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail. And this is what it looks like. You guys can see it's very lovely. I'm also going to put the ponytail into a bun. And this is what it looks like.
Make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh, Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord.
So right here, I'm just gonna do like a top knot style.
You slow down, girl. Oh Lord, have His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder.
And this is what the top knot looks like.
You a murder me.
So right here, I'm just putting on another band, and I'm gonna show you guys how to transform the wig to a coily hair. So I'm just gonna spray water. As you guys can see, as I spray water on it, I'm gonna stretch it out with my hands. I'm combing it out with my fingers, like I'm doing like a finger coil, and that's what I'm gonna do all over the hair, and you guys are gonna see the transformation. It's absolutely amazing.
You can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me,
So you guys can see the coils are popping. Like, it's crazy how you can just transform the wig in a short time. Like, it's absolutely amazing. And that's what it's gonna be for now. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your love and your support, and I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.